Hi, global experts. This is Sophia from Bonny Worldwide Limited, the expert in processing applications of carbon fiber in Taichung, Taiwan. We have been dedicated to developing and manufacturing carbon composite products for more than 35 years. Bonny is the largest manufacturer of ice hockey composite sticks in the world. We supply ice hockey sticks to Power Hockey, the world's leading brand of ice hockey equipment. Now, it's my honor to introduce you our latest product, carbon fiber composite wheels, which are carbon fiber rims with bolted-in alumina spokes. The weight of a carbon fiber composite wheel is only 70% of a forged aluminum alloy wheel. It is generally viewed that a reduction in weight of 1 kilogram on the unsprung mass is equivalent to a reduction of 10 kg on the sprung mass. Lighter wheels improve acceleration and deceleration as the engine and brakes no longer need to work against as much rotational mass. They also improve ride comfort and offer more desirable handling characteristics thanks to a lessening of the suspension's overall workload. We obtained certificate of registration of IATF 16949 in July 2019 and passed the annual review of IATF 16949 in June 2020. Our carbon fiber composite wheels have already passed German TUV testing in CWIC, a national wheel inspection center in China, and SAE J2530 testing in Smithers, which offers independent testing services for a wide range of industries and products. Our carbon fiber composite wheels were also tested to OEM standards for road use, including extreme cold weather road testing in northeast China and extreme bumpy, muddy, steep and gravel road high-tension testing around Chengdu, Lhasa, and Chongqing. Distance totaled 5,375 kilometers. It's an exciting new product. Please have someone or personally join us in Taipei M Hub to experience the durable light product. Thank you.